ito po yung ating ito po yung ating ginamit. This one, this color. Okay. And then next, this one. And ito po. Ayan, this one. So, tama ba? Parang kulang ng konti ang ating base. Balik, balik, balik. But not going down. Going up. Sunod naman sa on the second shade. Okay, so start na lang sa medyo gitna. Okay, yan. Kasi yung base natin is, nakikita ba natin yun? Yan. So, observe ninyo medyo nawawala na yung brown na base natin. Kasi nakuburan siya. Medyo gitna tayo mag-start and then continue. Same, do not follow the shape kasi nga parang natutulog ang mata ng ka-smiley ninyo. So once again, continue. Yan. Okay. Now, we will go to the darker shade. Doon naman sa corner ng ating mata. So, I always start with this one kasi nga, syempre, ituloy natin doon sa in-start natin na part kanina sa pencil. And then there, only. I put it there to accentuate the corners of my eyes, to make it a little bigger. On the side, kulang pa, so lagyan natin ng little to the sides. And since we are doing day makeup, it should only be lighter. So for nighttime, we make use of darker shades. So ayan na guys, ka-smiley. Ayan na yung may shade. Alright? So we will continue with the black eyeliner naman. So next naman is lalagay natin ang eyeliner. So patungan natin yung dating brown. Okay, yung base na brown. Actually nalagyan ko na kanina. But you will really extend kagaya kanina. Huwag pababa. For the droopy eyes, kagaya ko. So look at the difference, no? Look at the difference between the right side and the other side. Yung mata sa kabila. Okay? And then of course, a little of here. Lagyan natin dito ng konti sa baba. Singit natin. Konti lang. Kalahati. We will not be going the whole way to the eyes. Ayan. Half-half lang tayo at baka magmukha na tayong Ayan. Okay, so we are going to do it again. If you like to extend some more, for me, I would like to extend some more. There. Ayan. Okay. So, sa kabila naman tayo. go. The application of eyeliner. Going up. So, look at that. Yan. So, kung sa tingin nyo ay kailangan pang dagdagan natin. And then extend. Right. So, okay. Dito. And then a little down there. Sa baba. And then meet. Be careful. Make use of the tip. The tip of the eyeliner pen. Okay? Yung tip pag sa side para hindi mag-smudge. Again. So look at that. There. A little. O, diba? Medyo sinita ang mata at medyo lumaki ng konti. Ayan. So, that's about it for the eyes. Okay na ako sa eyes, pero may kailangan pang gawin, i-curl natin. Okay, be careful at baka yung skin ang natin, naka-curl natin. Yan. Yan. One more time. Alright. So, sa akin okay na ako sa mata. I never use colored mascara kasi maluluhain ako. At pag nagluha ako with mascara, colored mascara, ay luluha ako ng kung anumang color ang gagamitin. So, experience ko na yan. So, I never make use of colored mascara. So, ito yung ginagamit na yung pangpahaba ng eyebrows. Okay? So, we call this castor oil. Okay? Mabibili natin sa shops. On my part, na order ko ito sa Shopee. Yan. So, that's about it for my eyes. Ang susunod naman is on my eyebrow. Observe niyo yung eyebrow ko, hindi even, hindi pantay. Okay? So, I will start with this. Yan. Line lang siya. Para kayong nagpo-paint din lang sa papel. Making use of your face as the paper. Do not go too much down. Okay? So, pabayaan mo na yung tip na yon. Other side. Ayan. Para maayos lang yung medyo hindi pantay na eyebrows.